Winter gardening doesn't have to be complicated. In the next 2 minutes, you'll learn how to plan a thriving winter garden that saves time, grows fresh produce, and stays simple, even in the coldest months. I'm going to walk you through a complete winter garden planning guide. From selecting crops to prepping soil and protecting plants, you'll see exactly how to maximize your harvest during winter without any guesswork. Start with crops that thrive in cold weather. Leafy greens like kale, spinach, and Swiss chard are perfect. Root vegetables such as carrots, radishes, and turnips store well and grow steadily. Herbs like parsley and thyme can survive cooler temperatures too. Focus on these hardy options, and your garden stays productive all winter. Next, prepare your garden for winter. Enrich the soil with compost and organic matter to improve drainage and nutrient levels. Consider raised beds or containers if your ground freezes hard. Mulch heavily around plants to retain warmth and prevent frost damage. Proper preparation now means less work later and healthier plants throughout the season. Protecting your garden is key. Row covers, cold frames, or even simple cloches shield plants from frost and snow. Positioning your garden where it gets maximum winter sunlight helps too. These small steps make a huge difference in survival and growth. Even in winter, your garden needs attention. Water when the soil isn't frozen, harvest consistently, and remove damaged leaves to prevent disease. Staying active keeps your garden healthy and productive through the season. If you found this guide helpful, like the video and subscribe to become part of our winter garden family. Stay tuned for more tips to make your garden thrive all year round.